Hey, Chris Clausen here. I've got a question for you. Do you have to pay your deductible in the event you're involved in an automobile accident? Well, as you probably know, your policy's collision coverage covers the damage to your vehicle to the extent it exceeds the deductible. But what if the accident was clearly not your fault? Let's say you're sitting at a red light, got rear-ended, or maybe your car was hit while parked. Do you still have to pay the deductible? Well, the answer is maybe not. First, let's talk about what information you need to get from the other party in the event you have an accident. You need obviously the driver's information, the vehicle information, the registration information, and the insurance company information. But hey, the best way to do this is, hey, use your cell phone. Take a picture of the guy's driver's license, the registration, and the insurance card. Now once you have this, now there are two ways you can go with the claim. The first is you can go directly with the other driver's insurance company, assuming you got all the information we just spoke about. Now the advantage to doing this, if the other guy really is 100% at fault, is they'll pay to fix your car, might even rent you a loaner while the car's in the shop. Now, if you do decide to go this way, make sure you notify your insurance company for informational purposes, just in case some litigation shows up down the road. Your insurance company will be on notice and they won't be able to deny the claim. The other way of going is you could put in a claim under your collision insurance. Now, your insurance company will pay to fix your car minus the deductible. Then they'll go after the other guy's insurance company for reimbursement. When they do get reimbursed from the other insurance company, you'll get your deductible back. It'll just show up in the mail maybe 6 months from now. Hey, if you have any questions about this or any other insurance, give us a call, 631-744-1393, or send us an email, info@clausenagency.com.